Hi boys and girls, we're going to get ready for another OG lesson today. We're going to start with our sounds. We need our tapping hand, our not writing hand, and we're going to tap out our sounds, our phonemes. Here we go. Our first word is jump. J. 4 sounds, 4 phonemes. Our next word is hook. K. 3 sounds, 3 phonemes. Our next word is game. G. Aim. 3 sounds, 3 phonemes. Our next word is keep. K. Eep. 3 sounds, 3 phonemes. Our next word is frost. Fr. Ost. 5 sounds. Our next word is flick. Fl. Ick. 4 sounds, 4 phonemes. All right, we are ready to review some closed syllable words that we've been working on, the endings like LL, FF, CK, TCH, DGE, our short vowel pointers. Here we go. You read them at the same time as me. Wedge, catch, lick, off, fill, mess, match, shock, thick. Let's read these again all together at the same time, a little bit smoother. Wedge, catch, lick, off, fill, mess, match, shock, thick. Let's talk about a couple of these. Thick, big, thick, not thin. We've had thin a lot. The opposite, very thick, like I like thick pancakes. Shock means a kind of like a surprise. Like if you weren't expecting, someone gave you a surprise birthday party, you would be shocked, full of shock. You didn't know it. Let's read these again, and let's read them if you love seeing rainbows. Oh, that means it's your lucky day. Wedge, catch, lick, off, fill, mess, match, shock, thick. Can we read these one more time? If you get scared at thunderstorms sometimes, wedge, catch, lick, off, fill, mess, match, shock, thick. Good. Let's play a game. I'm thinking of a word, and it's an action word. It's something you can do, and it's what my cat does to me on my hand or my arm. I think she's giving me a kiss. Who knows? It is lick, right? I'm thinking of a word, and it's an action word, something you do. When you want your water bottle with water in it, you fill it up. I'm thinking of a word, and it is the opposite of on. The antonym of on is off. I'm thinking of a word, and it's a synonym to a slice. A slice of apple, it would be a wedge, right? I'm thinking of a word, and it is the antonym of thin. The opposite is thick. Let's see. Before we do something else, 2 words on our list are rhyming words. Oh, we've got more than 2 that have rhyming partners. Do you see them? I see catch and match. They got the same vowel. Atch family. I see another rhyming pair. Lick and thick. They're in the ick family. But that's it. That's all of our rhyming. This time you shout the word out before I say it and X it out. Ready? Fill. Mess. Catch. Lick. Thick. Shock. Off, match, wedge. Good job. Now I've got something brand new to show you today. These are yellow cards. And these are called blends. In fact, I call these S blends because if you notice, they all start with an S. SP, and each sound, sp. They each have a sound, sp. ST, st. SK, sk. Okay, so each, they have two sounds, two letters. They can come at the beginning of a word or the end, but it's a blend because we're blending these two sounds together. Sp, st, sk is what they say. Blends. We're going to be working on some words that have those in it together. SK, ST, SP. Here we go. Now, these are closed syllable words. Take a look. They all end in a consonant. So our vowel says its sound. It's short sound of eh, or ah, or I, or a. Do you see the S blends? ST, SP, SK. They're all at the beginning. The beginning of our words, blends. All right, you echo me. Step, stop, spill, spin, skip, skill, skin, stack, spot. Let's read these again together a little bit smoother, like we're talking. Step, stop, spill, spin, skip, skill, skin, stack, spot. Now take a look. Do you remember our C and K rule? K goes with our stick vowels, I, E, or Y. Look, our stick vowels, they have the K with the I right there, yes, just to remind you of that. All right, let's talk about a couple of these words. A stack, like a stack of blocks, you know that. A skill is something that you practice to get better at. Could be a reading skill, could be a football skill. Can we read these again? And read these if you like to play in the snow. Ready? Step, stop, spill, spin, skip, skill, skin, stack, spot. Can you read these again if you like to play in the rain? Gentle rain. Step, stop, spill, spin, skip, skill, skin, stack, spot. Good. So we're blending these two sounds together. It's each a sound. Like I said, sp, st, sk. Okay? Let's play a little game. I'm thinking of a word, and it's when maybe you accidentally knock over your drink on the table. That is called a spill. I'm thinking of a word, and it's an action word, so you can do it, and it's when you turn your body around and around. Spin. I'm thinking of a word, and it's an action word. It's something you can do, and it's when you put something on top of the other, higher and higher. Stack. I'm thinking of a word, and it's kind of a synonym to a hop, almost. A mix between a hop and a jump. Skip, right? I'm thinking of a word, and it's on your body. It covers your body. Everyone's is different. Skin, right? This time you shout the word out before I do an exit out. Here we go. Stop, skill, spot, spin, step, skip, stack, spill, skin. Good. Right, so our 3 S blends we're learning today. SP, sp, ST, sk, and SK. Let's find our paper. Let's put our name and our date. All right, here we go. Write me the lowercase letters that say J as in bridge. Comes at the end. I hear J at the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel. J is spelled D-G-E. Write me the lowercase letters that say A as in apple. It's an A. Write me the lowercase letters that say S as in class. I hear this at the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel. S is spelled S-S. Write me the lowercase letters that say Ch as in chair. It's a C-H. Write me the lowercase letter that says I as in itch. It's an I. Write me the lowercase letters that say Ch as in catch. I hear the Ch at the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel. Ch is spelled T-C-H. Write me the lowercase letter that says Aw as in ox. It's an O. Write me the lowercase letter that says E as in edge. It's an E. Write me the lowercase letter that says K as in duck. I hear the K at the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel. K is spelled C-K. See, all these are only at the end of a word. Write me the lowercase letter that says as in up. It's a U. Write me the lowercase letters that say sh as in ship. It's an SH. Write me the lowercase letters that say f as in off. I hear the f at the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel. F is spelled FF. All right, we're ready to tap out and spell our words. Our tapper hand is out. You get yours out to help. Here we go. Our first word is fudge. Ready? F-A-J. 3 sounds, but 5 letters. F-A-J. At the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel. J is spelled D-G-E. F-U-D-G-E. Fudge. Our next word is pitch. Ready? P-I-T-C-H. 3 sounds, but 5 letters. P-I-T-C-H. At the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel. Ch is spelled T-C-H. P-I-T-C-H. Our next word is lock. L-A-K. 3 sounds, but 4 letters. L-A-K. I hear the K at the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel. K is spelled C-K. L-O-C-K. Our next word is wedge. W-E-Dge. 3 sounds, but 5 letters. W-E-Dge. At the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel. J is spelled D-G-E. W-E-D-G-E. Let's go back and read these all together. Let me hear you. Fudge, pitch, lock, wedge. All right, so at our diamond, we're practicing our new S-blends. All right, so let's try this one first. And let's write it and say it. S-P says P. Can you say that? S-P says P. And our next one, S-K says K. Can you say that with me? S-K says K. And our last one, S-T says T. Say it with me. S-T says T. Okay. Let's go back and say these together. You read them with me. Sp, sk, st. All right. You know what? Let's look at SP. And let's skywrite it. Ready? S-P, sesp. Let's do S-K. S-K, sesk. S-T. S-T, sest. Good. Let's flip our paper over. We're going to do some S-blend words. We need our tapper hand to help us hear every sound. Here we go. Our first word is stop. Ready? St, op. You should get 4 sounds. Separate the ST. St. They're each a sound. Op. 4 sounds, 4 letters. St, op. S-T-O-P. Our next word is spin. Ready? Sp, in. 4 sounds, 4 letters. Sp, in. S-P-I-N. Our next word is skill. Sk, ill. 4 sounds, but 5 letters. Sk, ill. Remember, ul at the end of a 1-syllable word after 1 short vowel. Ul is spelled L-L. And look, I, we had an I, a stick vowel goes with K. S-K-I-L-L. Last one, our word is step. Ready? St, ep. 4 sounds, 4 letters. St, ep. S-T-E-P. Let's go back and read these together. Read them with me. Stop, spin, skill, step. Good. And we don't have a brand new memory word. We worked on this yesterday. Remember what this is? It's not always a question word. We hear it as a question word a lot, but not always. H-O-W says how. How are you feeling today? Or, I know how to do that. Let's get our superpower arm. Skywrite with me. Look at the letters. Here we go. H-O-W says how. H-O-W says how. H-O-W says how. Let's say it as we write it. H-O-W says how. H-O-W says how. H-O-W says how. H-O-W says how. Put our pen down. Let's skywrite 2 more times. Ready to look? H-O-W says how. Can you close your eyes and do it? H-O-W says how. Ooh, let's turn it over. Can you do it without looking? Let's check it. H-O-W says how. Do you remember how to spell the question word which? When it's the question word, it starts like whistle and there's no T in it. Which one should I eat first? W-H-I-C-H. It's mostly a question word, not always, but mostly a question word. Which? Do you remember how to spell the word do? Do your best. Do you know the answer? D-O says do. D-O says do. All right, let's get ready for our sentence. Get our Pops card out. C for capital, O for order, P for punctuation, S for spelling. Might be a telling sentence, might be a question mark. For an asking sentence, you might need to show expression and use an exclamation point. Okay, we write and we read from left to right, edge to edge. Here's our sentence. Listen carefully. Step on that bug. Oh, did you check out my voice? Did you hear it change? Step on that bug. Ooh, I hate bugs. If there was a big bug there, I'd say, step on that bug. Let's count our words. Step on that bug. 4 words. All right, so we know we got to start with a capital letter. Let's tap out this word, step. St, ep. I hear 4 sounds. Uppercase, capital, st, ep. Step, leave some space, on. Let's tap out that, at. Remember, like in thumb? At. Step on that bug. I don't think we need to tap it out. Bug. And make sure you made a B. Now, let's read this again. Step on that bug. Ooh, I need to show expression in my voice, so it is an exclamation point. Because I'm kind of yelling that. Step on that bug. 1, 2, 3, 4 words. We have our capital at the beginning, punctuation at the end. We changed our voice. Step on that bug. We made sure to tap out step, step. I heard every sound, every letter. Step on that bug. Make sure you have it. Good job today.